Yo, how's it going? My name is Matias, and in this video, I'm going to do a case study on the strategy on how we were able to make $16,000 in one day with a one product release. Here's the screenshots. So basically, yeah, in this video, I'm going to try to make it short and just explain exactly how we were able to sell out this collection. We had 200 pre-made items, and we sold out in literally less than 6 hours. And we didn't have to close down the site. All we did was promote it through social medias and grow the email and SMS list. So let's get started with the video. So I'm here on my computer and I'm going to share the sign up form we used to collect emails and SMS to grow our list, what campaigns we sent out, and how much money we made on drop day. So here's his page. This is one of my clients. So he has his normal, product page where he sells all his items. Let's just go right here. See, he has a bunch of items. But we wanted to sell one new hat. We didn't close down the site, and we wanted to build up some hype before we released this new hat. So we made a new page called New Releases. So in this page, we had a countdown of when this hat was going to release. We did it a week before the release date. So right here it said like 7 days. And then we had the exact date and time. And if people clicked here, they got to sign up to our list. We had a cool looking image. And then at the bottom, we put the time again, telling people that they had 1 hour exclusive shopping window to shop and a 10% off if they signed up to this list. And right here, we put the number. After people put their number, it asks for their email. And then we notify them that they signed up for the VIP early access list. So with this form right here, we're able to hype up this new item and collect more emails and numbers for this new drop and build up the hype. So this right here, this page, you could just, get this URL, post it on your stories, on your bio, on your social medias, and take all your traffic to this page, and it sells the new item. So, we have a timer, the date, and then value of why they should join this list. So once we got people's emails and numbers and we're growing the list, now we can start sending them out campaigns to build up hype for this new release. And right here, here's the results, by the way, of the drop. We made around 18K actually. And then 13K of that came from email and SMS marketing revenue. As you can see right here, it says around 70% of total revenue for that day came from the campaigns and the flows of email SMS. Now, if we look at the campaigns we sent out, first we sent out a hype email. Let me see if I can pull this up. Say new drop coming, explore socials. Saying the name of the product, when we're dropping, and letting everybody know that they're in the early access list and that the first 200 orders are pre-made, so it means fast shipping. Wait, which email is this? Hold on. Oh yeah, we did one 24 hours before the item release. So this was another hype email. So we said don't miss out with the exact date and time in both PST and Eastern time, and some cool looking images as well. Something I would note about this with hype emails, make sure that these emails catch people's attention and it really shows the product the best way possible. So this image right here, it was a really clean looking image and it showed the product really well. So now let's look at the campaigns on April 30th when we released this item. And as you can see, we made around 10,000 with just 2 campaigns. So let's look at the SMS, which made around 8,000. So as you can see, it was a GIF showing really good images of the product. And then just letting everybody know that they have 1 hour before everybody else And reminding everybody one more time that we only have 200 items that are ready to ship and a link to the product page. So if we click on this, it takes them to the product page. Now if we look at the email on drop day, once again, a really good image saying new drop is now live and saying the exact same thing with another cool image at the bottom. Now, another thing we did is telling everybody that we did actually sell out and that now all orders are going to be pre-ordered. So we said our new drop went quick, missed out on the pre-made stock, no worries. It's still available for pre-order. So this is your last chance. And that made 500 in sales. Then a couple days later, we sent out another pre-order follow-up, which made around 1,700 in sales. And this one basically just said, we sold out in 2 hours. Lucky for you, our newest drop is still available for pre-order. So people clicked on this and they got to the site, but now it's pre-order, so they're going to have to wait a couple weeks to receive this new hat. So as you can see, that was our strategy in terms of campaigns. We hyped it up with emails. Then we sent out an email and SMS when we released the new item. And then we kept sending them emails and SMS following the drop. And if we look at the results, that's how we were able to make 13K in one day using this hype strategy with email and SMS. And of course, in the next following days, we're going to keep promoting this new item, just retargeting it with new campaigns. But I just wanted to make this video just to show you exactly our strategy and how we made around 16K in one day. Right here it says 18K. Not sure that there's a difference, but around 16 to 18K in one day for this brand using email and SMS marketing. And if this video does sound interesting and you want somebody to handle all your email and SMS for you, and you're a brand making over $40,000 in revenue plus per month, then I will highly recommend you check out my videos, DM me on Instagram, and we could talk about working together, because we basically set up everything for you. You just have to be making around 40K a month for that traffic, and so we can start working together. But if you're below that, or you're somebody that's still growing the brand, then keep watching my videos, because I'm going to be giving out a lot of free game. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you.